Okay, so what we're doing on this one is changing the capacitor of my generator. I'll just spin you around. So the capacitor's in here, which you've got to take all these bolts out, the screws around the side. I think there's 3. We'll get them off, have a look inside. I've never done this before, first time. I've got to take you along with me. And the capacitor that we're putting in, Remico, if that's how you pronounce it, it's a CB-B60, it's a 14 UF and it's a 5+. It's 450 VAC, 50, 60 HZ, 400 to 1000, 400 volts, 450 volts. It's what they ordered. So that's it there. I'll put the description, what's on it, down in the description below. So if you want to find it, I'll find the link. And if you can, you might have to make a trade account to get this. If not, you probably find it on eBay or something or other. So let's get into it. So we've got new cable tie. That's the old one that came out. So we've just got to strap this up. Get this up the road so you can see. There you go. So there. 2 top ones, one's at the front. Chop the excess off. Just put the bolt back in if it's fell out. Slip that cable back at the ear. Yeah, so that just slide in. The only way you can do it is actually just put in the bolt through. You can see it. You just hook it on. And just twist and tighten it up. Just get the other one. Tighten up the hand at first, so you're not overdoing it. Yeah, so that's it. Nice and easy. a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So it's something you can do yourself if your generator isn't giving power out once you've got running and it's on the right 215 or 240. For this work, if it's running but really slow, if you're running Hoover, it takes loads of time to get up, to get the motor running. It's got to be your capacitor. If you like this video, get a subscribe, drop us a like and a comment down below, and at some point we'll get this back in the van and